What's up, gardening fam? Okay, so here's the deal. So I have a hill, I have a sunny hill. I put some fruit trees up here and things, right? But I'm gonna try to grow some other things. Now, one thing I did is I built this planter. I was gonna put like flowers in it and stuff to just try to attract pollinators. But you know what? I think I am going to put in some shallots, some French shallots. So I bought, yeah, I'm a fancy guy, right? So I bought some organic French red shallots from Peaceful Valley. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in getting some of these. So I'm going to plant some onions. The soil here, I'll give you a little bit better look at it. Not that great. You can see I've dug out a couple troughs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plant some shallots in there. I do have water here, so I've got irrigation there. I've also got irrigation over here, so it kind of sprays this whole thing. So we're gonna see if we can get some onions, because onions are easy to grow, right? All right, let's get them planted. That's very good. Did you catch that? I dug some holes. I put some onions in there, some fancy red French shallots. Now I'm just going, and I covered them up. Now I'm just going to water it. And then I'll tell you what, if you want to see how my French shallots turn out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got this and some other projects rolling. So with that, I'll see you in the next video.